Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading to CVS, and I haven't been to CVS in a while, but I really do love how you can coupon easily at CVS. These deals at CVS run from October the 27th all the way to November the 2nd. And in my house, we don't call it CVS, we call it CVS because we're fancy like that. So start calling it CVS. I love it. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write these deals down. You can either print it off to take in the store with you or pull it up on your phone. Also, if you're watching me from TikTok, you will find that printable breakdown in the link in my bio. As always, these deals are all digital, so let's go ahead and get started on some great deals. Now, I've been needing some of this deodorant. And back in the day when I first started coupon, I always got deodorant for free, and that is not the case anymore, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up two of these degree deodorants. Now, they're usually $7.59 for these, but they're buy one, get one 50% off. So it's kind of like saying that they're $5.47 each, and that's what you'll find on the printable breakdown. So you're going to pick up two of these for this deal to work. So picking up two of those, your total is going to be $10.94. There is on the CVS app a $4 coupon that is attaching. That $4 coupon is going to bring your total down. And then you also have $5 in extra care bucks. So, great deal already. We've got the $5 coupon. We've got the $5 in extra care bucks that we're going to use in our next transaction that we'll get after we buy these. And then we also have a $1.50 back from Fetch. So with the buy one, get one 50% off, the $4 coupon, the $5 back from extra care bucks that we'll use in our next transaction, and the $1.50 back from Fetch, this deodorant is going to cost just 44 cents, y'all. 44 cents or 22 cents each. That's a great deal. We're going from $7.59 all the way to 22 cents per canister of deodorant. Wow, that is awesome. I was excited to pick these up for my daughter. So she's into the Burt's Bees products right now, and so these Burt's Bees masks are working for this buy two, get a $5 extra care buck. So what you're going to do is pick up two of the Burt's Bees masks. They are $3.59. I got to change my math really quick. So it's going to cost you a total of $7.18 for these masks. You'll pay for $7.18 at the register, but when you check out, you're going to get an extra care buck for $5 that you'll be able to use on your next transaction. That's going to leave you to pay $2.18 for the mask, or about $1.09 per mask. Great deal on these. Go ahead and pick these up for Christmas. You can have these for stocking stuffers as well. So, if you've watched my channel in the past, you know that I like to get cereal from CVS. It's always a good deal. Anytime you can get cereal at CVS or Walgreens, it's a better deal than getting it from the grocery store. Now, this cereal is marked at $7.59, and you guys know we're not spending that much money on cereal. So, what we're going to do is we're going to pick up two of these General Mills cereals, and you can mix and match the different General Mills. Just make sure they're the ones that are $1.99. Picking up two of those, your total is going to be $3.98. We have a $1 coupon on the CVS app. That's going to leave you to pay $2.98 at the register. So that's going to be about a $1.49 you'll pay at the register. Then there's a couple different, there's probably more than a couple. There's probably like 7 IBOTTA rebates on the app. These IBOTTA rebates are for 50 cents back for each one. And just make sure you scan because there's all different kinds. I've got like a Reese's Puff and a Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So you're going to get back 50 cents on each one, which is going to give you back a dollar from IBOTTA. So that's going to leave you to pay with the sale, the coupon, and the IBOTTA $1.98 or about 99 cents per box of cereal. So that's a good deal. Even if you don't eat cereal, this is a good item that you could donate to the food bank to pick up. I would never spend $7.59 on this small thing of cereal. All right, guys, we have a great money maker. Yay! This is the moneymaker on the Eucerin lotion. This Eucerin lotion could be great for a stocking stuffer just to pick up, put in your purse. Now, this Eucerin lotion is usually $7.29, and it's small. It's a very small thing of lotion, but it's on sale right now for $4.99. So you're automatically off the bat saving $2.29. Now, we are starting to use the Checkout 51 app. Now, I've been using it for years, but a lot of people haven't. Checkout 51 is going to be replacing ShopMeum. So you're going to be using this $3 cash back from Checkout 51. That $3 cash back from Checkout 51, you're going to submit your receipt to get it back. So you're going to get back $3 from that, and then you're also going to get back $3 in extra care bucks for buying one of these. So with the sale, a $3 checkout 51 and $3 extra care bucks, it's going to leave you for a moneymaker of $1.01. Whew, I love a moneymaker and hadn't had one in a long time. Good deal on this. Do you guys remember the days when we used to get shampoo like this for like 50 cents? Well, those days are long gone. All right. So the Garnier Fructis, it has to be the green ones. Don't get the whole blends. The whole blend's not going to work for this deal. So we're going to get the Garnier Fructis. They are $4.99. We're going to get 2 of them. Your total is going to be $9.98. On the CVS app, there is a $3 coupon. That $3 coupon will attach to both of those, and then we're also going to get back $3 in extra care bucks. Those $3 extra care bucks we can use on our next transaction. So it's going to leave you for your total to be $3.98 or $1.99 per container of this Garnier Fructis. So $1.99 to me is a little high for this. Like I said, we used to pay 50 cents, but that's just how it is now, guys. We don't have those good deals like we used to on stuff like this. So I wasn't able to do this deal on the Axe. Let me tell you why. You're going to want to get the Axe that's $6.29. My Axe, they didn't have any more. They were all out of the 6.29s. I'm going to try to go back after the truck comes in this week. The only Axe that was available for me was the 8.29. That's not the one you want. You want the 6.29. So if you have it, you're going to get 2 of the Axe body washes. They're 6.29 each. That will make them $12.58 together. Then there is a high valued $7.50 coupon on the CVS app. That's a huge coupon. So $7.50 for that coupon. In addition, you're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks. So $7.50 coupon, $2 in extra care bucks is going to make the Axe body wash $3.08 or $1.54 each. So we have a glitch, and this is what you're going to do for this glitch. You're going to pick up one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $3.99, and then you're going to pick up one of the Oral-B toothbrushes at $3.99. So you're going to get both of those. The total for those is going to be $7.98. You're also going to get back $3 extra care bucks because you bought both of these. So you'll get back the $3 extra care bucks. But in a minute, I'm going to show you that there's a coupon. There's 2 coupons that are attaching. So there's going to be these coupons that both attach on both of these products. So, like I said, $3.99, get both of those. You'll get back $3 extra care bucks. The coupon that's attaching, there's a $3 when you spend 2, and there's another $3 when you spend 2. That's $6 in coupons. Those are both attaching. You don't have to buy 4. You can just buy one thing of toothpaste and one thing and one toothbrush, and it will work for both. So that's a glitch. So with that, you're getting back $3. You're using $6 in coupons. For that, it's going to make this a money maker. So you're going to have a money maker of about $1.02, I believe, on the Crest and Oral-B products. That's a huge, great deal. Now, this is my favorite mouthwash. I have not gotten this mouthwash in so long. I haven't had it in my stockpile. And when I used to get it, it used to be a whole liter of mouthwash, and it is not a whole liter anymore. So this mouthwash is $5.59. You're going to pick up 2 of them. Your total is going to be $11.18. $11.18 for these. Now, you're going to get back you're going to use a $4 coupon. This $4 coupon is attaching for the 2 mouthwashes. So at the register, you're going to pay $7.18. But because you spent over $10, you're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. So buy 2 of them, total is $11.18. You use that $4 coupon, you'll get back $5 extra care bucks. It's going to make it $1.09 per Colgate mouthwash. Guys, if you are a girl that goes to Sephora and Ulta and all those things, that's great. Because I go there too. But sometimes we don't need to sleep on drugstore makeup because there's some really good makeup out there. So this is some of the L'Oreal makeup. And you need to get any of the makeup that's over $15. Now, I picked up this panorama um because I really wanted it. I thought it was a good deal. Um Good price on the makeup. So it was about, I want to say, $15.59 for these. Now, what you're going to do for this one is there is a $3 coupon on any L'Oreal products. That $3 coupon can attach to any of the L'Oreal products. Um Doesn't matter what you use. But then there's also a $5 extra care bucks you're going to get back. So with that $3 store coupon and that $5 extra care bucks, it's going to cost for this mascara $7.59. And I needed the mascara, so I went ahead and pick it up. But I also wanted to use that store coupon and get back that extra care bucks. So that's $8 in savings right there on something that I really needed. All right, guys. So I am not able to leave the bed really right now because I broke my foot falling down the stairs. So, if you can see in the background, there's my little scooter. I've been riding around on my knee scooter. But this is my cat Molly, and she has taken such good care of me. And I really do appreciate her love. Usually cats don't act like this, but she really does love everybody in our house, and she has taken such good care of me while I've been laid up with a broke foot. So just enjoy this beautiful picture of Molly. She is a rag dog cat. And we do love her. She's been wonderful for our family. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Let me know your favorite deal, and let me know in the comments if there's any deals that I missed that you think I should highlight. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.